Travis Scott is back with another fire sneaker drop. The Jordan Jumpman Jack Green Spark, first spotted during Game 2 of the 2024 NBA Finals at the Boston Garden, has been officially confirmed for a summer 2026 release. Inspired by the Boston Celtics, this upcoming colorway brings a bold mix of Celtic Green and jet black nubuck with a perforated upper for that premium feel. Unlike earlier mesh and leather versions, the Green Spark stands out with its sleek black painted midsole, green rubber outsole, and Travis' iconic reverse swoosh and forefoot strap. Originally thought to be a one-of-one exclusive, sneaker fans can now look forward to its expected release date on March 27, 2026. This drop continues Travis Scott's legacy with Jordan brand, blending performance, culture, and hype into one stunning sneaker. Stay tuned for more updates, release info, and on-foot looks of the Travis Scott x Jordan Jumpman Jack Green Spark.